Kelly Model 4614. What if the future of agriculture was already rolling across the fields of Kansas? Meet the Kelly Model 4614, a next-generation farming machine that looks like it came straight out of science fiction. Built to outperform its predecessor, the 4012, it brings a wider working width, powerful dual tires, and unbelievable traction. Across rough terrain and terraced fields, the 4614 moves with confidence. Higher ground clearance, greater stability, maximum efficiency. But this is more than a machine. It's a game-changing agricultural revolution designed to help farmers grow more with less effort. As farming enters a new era, the Kelly 4614 proves one thing: the future harvest doesn't begin at harvest time. It begins today. Damcon KGS. What if shaping thousands of trees no longer depended on hours of exhausting manual work? This is the future, and it's happening now. Meet the Damcon KGS form cutting machine, a next-generation pruning system designed for Christmas tree and shrub growers. It looks like something straight out of science fiction. With an advanced 400-degree cutting sweep, the machine creates perfect cones, cylinders, and hedges with unbelievable precision. From small plants to 3-meter giants, every cut stays uniform and flawless. This game-changing technology dramatically reduces labor while delivering identical results at incredible speed. Adjustable cutting angles and automatic leveling make the process smarter than ever. As agriculture enters a futuristic era, machines like the Damcon KGS are transforming how growers work. Because the future of farming isn't coming, it's already here. BCS Reaper Binder. What if one machine could do the work of an entire harvesting crew? Meet the BCS Reaper Binder, a revolutionary harvesting machine that feels like something pulled from the future. As it moves across the field, a wide 140-centimeter cutter bar slices through crops with precision. But that's only the beginning. In one smooth motion, advanced binding forks gather the harvest and tie it into perfect bundles. Cut, gather, bind, all at once. Powered by rugged 10 to 13 horsepower engines and a multi-speed transmission, this next-generation machine transforms hours of exhausting labor into a fast, efficient operation. For small and medium farmers, it's a game-changing breakthrough. Less effort, more productivity, greater harvests. And as agriculture races toward a smarter future, the BCS Reaper Binder proves that the future of farming isn't coming. It's already here. Fendt 211 Vario, a machine that feels like it came from the future. 105 to 124 horsepower of controlled intelligence under steel. A compact giant built for alpine climbs and precision loader work. Its Vario CVT glides seamlessly from crawl to highway speed. Dynamic performance pushes extra power when the field demands more. Fuel smart, soil light, efficiency rewritten by TMS intelligence. A wasp waist frame turns tight as machines rethink maneuverability. This is not farming. This is the future driving itself forward. Silent, powerful, unstoppable evolution in every hectare it touches. Fendt 211 Vario stands as a revolution in compact tractor engineering, merging intelligence, efficiency, and raw strength into one unstoppable force, shaping tomorrow's agriculture today, in real time, now rising. H-SMO 1600 ST. What if the future of waterway maintenance already exists and almost nobody knows about it? Meet the H-SMO 1600 ST, a next-generation ditch cleaner created by the Dutch company H-SMO Machinebouw. At first glance, it looks like ordinary farm equipment, but its capabilities feel almost science fiction. Its advanced cutting and throwing wheel shreds thick vegetation and removes heavy silt from water-filled canals. Special star wheels keep water flowing freely, while a hydraulic deflector hood controls exactly where the cleared material lands. With a reach of nearly 4.8 meters, this machine tackles deep channels with unbelievable precision. This game-changing system helps protect farmland, prevent flooding, and keep vital waterways alive. In a world demanding smarter solutions, the H-SMO 1600 ST proves one thing. The future isn't coming, it's already working in the fields. Kuhn FC 13460RA, the machine that makes farming look like the future. What if one machine could transform an entire field in a single pass? This isn't science fiction. This is the Kuhn FC 13460RA. Stretching up to 13.4 meters wide, this next-generation giant cuts, conditions, and forms perfect windrows all at once. Beneath its futuristic frame, 24 OptiDisc Elite discs slice through crops with incredible precision, while the integrated belt grouper organizes everything instantly. The result? Faster harvests, less fuel, more productivity. Named Farm Machine 2024 at Agritechnica, the Kuhn FC 13460RA is a game-changing symbol of modern agriculture. As farms grow larger and demands rise higher, machines like this prove one thing: the future of farming isn't coming. It's already here. Kuhn Optira, 90-word cinematic voiceover script. What if the future of farming was already rolling across the fields today? Meet Kuhn North America's Kuhn Optira, a revolutionary machine that looks like something from science fiction. As massive bales move into position, the advanced bale eye sensor detects them with light, not mechanical arms. Faster, smarter, more reliable. Then comes the unbelievable part. A next-generation 70% pre-stretch system wraps each bale with maximum efficiency, cutting plastic use while protecting valuable forage. This isn't just a bale wrapper, it's a game-changing glimpse into autonomous farming. The future isn't coming, it's already here with Kuhn Optira. Quattro. This is not farming. This is the future of harvesting. A 4-row autonomous sieving beast built for 1,800mm potato beds. 3 seamless conveyors pull crops through a frictionless, unstoppable flow. An 11-ton bunker reduces downtime, harvesting longer, faster, smarter. 900mm crawler tracks and rear steering cut soil pressure to 1.4 kilograms per centimeter squared. 60-degree agility turns giants like a precision machine in tight fields. Every movement adapts. Every harvest feels like science fiction becoming real. The future of farming is here, and it is unstoppable. Engineered for extreme conditions, it dominates wet mud, unstable ground, and unpredictable weather, redefining agricultural power for a new generation of farmers worldwide. Harvesting enters a new era. Now, always. Liebrecht, a name born from ancient Europe, meaning the people who shine. But today, that legacy is powering something far more futuristic. From Ohio, Liebrecht Manufacturing is building next-generation machines that transform farmland with unbelievable precision. Heavy-duty tile plows and advanced land improvement systems work beneath the surface, preparing the ground for a smarter agricultural future. Alongside them, Liebrecht Excavating is shaping infrastructure with powerful excavation technology and decades of experience. It may look traditional, but the mission is revolutionary. As food demand grows, companies like Liebrecht are helping create a more efficient future for farming and construction. From an ancient surname to a modern legacy, Liebrecht proves that the future isn't waiting, it's already being built. LineStar 9000. The future of farming is moving. A revolutionary linear irrigation system built for vast rectangular fields. It glides across land with autonomous precision, covering 100% area. No wasted corners, no blind spots. Only intelligent water control. Smart sensors correct movement, keeping towers perfectly aligned always. Powered by low-pressure efficiency, it saves energy and resources. Hydrants, canals, or hoses feed its flexible configurations seamlessly. From farms to mega-agriculture zones, it adapts instantly. This is not irrigation. This is agricultural intelligence evolving. A glimpse into a fully automated farming future, rising now. Controlled remotely, monitored in real time, built for tomorrow's survival. Because the future of food depends on systems like this. Already here, already working now, operational. Menzi Muck HSM-OB, the machine that goes where others can't. What if the future of land clearing looked like something from science fiction? Meet the Menzi Muck HSM-OB, a next-generation combination of a Menzi Muck spider excavator and the powerful Seppi H-SMO-b mulcher. Built for places ordinary machines fear to enter. With incredible hydraulic power and walking legs, this advanced machine climbs steep slopes, reaches riverbanks, and shreds grass, brush, and small trees with unbelievable precision. Its intelligent floating mulcher head follows the ground naturally, delivering clean results even on extreme terrain. This game-changing technology is transforming vegetation management, making dangerous environments safer and easier to maintain. As the world demands smarter machines, the Menzi Muck HSM-OB proves one thing. The future isn't coming, it's already crawling across the mountains. Milstack PT2010, the machine transforming hay harvesting. What if stacking massive hay bales felt like something straight out of science fiction? Meet the Milstack PT2010, a next-generation stack wagon built by Mil-Stak Manufacturing Company. Pulled by a tractor, this unbelievable machine automatically loads, carries, and stacks giant square bales directly from the field. Powered by advanced hydraulics reaching up to 3,000 psi and operating on a simple 12-volt system, the PT2010 handles 7 to 9 foot bales with remarkable precision. Why is it game-changing? Because it turns hours of hard labor into a smooth, futuristic operation. As agriculture evolves, machines like the Milstack PT2010 prove that the future of farming isn't coming, it's already here. Pitbull Rake. This is not farming anymore. This is engineering dominance on a field of silence. Introducing the Pitbull Silage Rake by Pitbull Blades, a next-generation force built for massive bunker silos. It moves like a hybrid machine, part dozer, part precision bucket, pushing, lifting, carrying mountains of silage in a single motion. A hydraulically powered push plate extends forward, releasing material with surgical control, without disturbing the packed core beneath. Forged with AR-450 steel tines, it glides along walls like a ghost in steel armor. This isn't just equipment, it's a revolution in material control. Faster cycles, cleaner silos, smarter farming. And in the future of agriculture, only machines like this will define power. Ploger MKC 4TR. What if the future of farming already existed and looked like something from science fiction? Meet the Oxbow MKC 4TR, formerly known as the Ploger MKC 4TR, a revolutionary next-generation machine built to harvest spinach, parsley, and coriander with unbelievable precision. Riding on 4 advanced tracks, this futuristic giant glides across wet fields while protecting the soil beneath. One operator controls the entire process. A massive cutting system trims the crop evenly, while powerful airflow instantly moves fresh greens into onboard containers. It's fast, efficient, game-changing. The Oxbow MKC 4TR proves that the future of agriculture isn't coming someday. It's already here, and it's transforming farming right now. Ploger, a future where machines don't farm the land, they transform it. Born in the Netherlands in 1939, this engineering giant evolved into Oxbow, a global force of autonomous harvesters. From potato fields to delicate vegetables, machines like AR4BX and EPD540E harvest with precision beyond human limits. Now unified under Oxbow, the technology becomes one revolutionary system built for the future of food. It spreads fertilizer, it harvests crops, it redefines agriculture itself. The world is changing fast, and Ploger stands at the edge of a farming revolution. Next-generation machines, one brand, one future. Silent fields awaken. Autonomous giants move without noise. Humanity steps back. Agriculture steps forward into a new era of intelligence and unstoppable production beyond imagination itself now. Argil FHT1 vegetable harvester, the future of harvesting. What if the future of farming already existed? Meet the Argil FHT1 vegetable harvester, a revolutionary machine designed to change the way fruits and vegetables are harvested. For decades, farmers relied heavily on manual labor to collect crops like lettuce, broccoli, pumpkins, melons, and watermelons. It was time-consuming, expensive, and physically demanding. But everything changed with the FHT1. Mounted behind a tractor, this advanced machine uses specialized harvesting belts and support wheels to move smoothly across the field while carefully collecting crops. Its adjustable arms, extending up to 6 meters on each side, allow it to cover more ground with incredible efficiency. The result is faster harvesting, lower costs, and increased productivity. What once required large teams can now be done with remarkable speed and precision. In a world where food demand continues to rise, machines like the Argil FHT1 are helping shape the next generation of agriculture. This isn't just a farming machine, it's a glimpse into the future. And the future is already growing in the fields. ProVeyor Wagon. What if the future of farming wasn't autonomous robots, but a game-changing machine that saves the people behind our food? Meet the ProVeyor Wagon, an advanced harvesting system created by Harvest Pro Manufacturing. At first glance, it looks simple, but hidden inside is a revolutionary idea. A massive 30-foot hydraulic conveyor reaches directly over crop rows, allowing workers to walk upright instead of constantly bending down. As bins fill, the conveyor smoothly shifts position, making every harvest faster and more efficient. From pumpkins and sweet corn to melons and broccoli, this next-generation machine adapts to many different crops. And when the work is done, the entire system folds neatly for road transport. Models like the EX17 push efficiency even further, turning every inch of wagon space into productive power. In a world demanding more food with less strain, the ProVeyor Wagon proves that the future of agriculture is already here. Not science fiction, not tomorrow, right now. PS511, the futuristic machine transforming warehouse logistics. Imagine a world where heavy products move almost effortlessly, A world that feels straight out of science fiction. That future is already here. Meet the PS511, a revolutionary next-generation material handling machine built to pick up products and transfer them with incredible speed and precision. With a massive 36-foot picking range and advanced conveyor technology, it keeps operations flowing non-stop. But the real magic is in its intelligence. Adjustable discharge heights, variable conveyor speeds, and a powerful hydraulic wheel drive allow the PS511 to adapt instantly to changing conditions. The result? Faster movement, gentler handling, unbelievable productivity. As warehouses become more autonomous, machines like the PS511 are leading a game-changing industrial revolution. This isn't just a conveyor system. It's a glimpse into the future of logistics. Rohan 2, the farming machine that feels like science fiction. What if the future of farming didn't stand upright, but moved face down across the fields? Sounds unbelievable, but it's happening right now. Meet the Rohan 2, a revolutionary electric picking assistant created by Harvest Pro Manufacturing. This futuristic machine helps farmers harvest strawberries, asparagus, and green beans without the back-breaking pain of bending for hours. Lying comfortably on a cushioned platform, operators control everything with simple foot pedals. Dual electric motors, a lithium battery, and a solar panel create a next-generation farming experience. It's a game-changing design. Faster harvesting, less fatigue, more precision. The future of agriculture is no longer coming. With the Rohan 2, the future is already in the field. What if the future of farming wasn't built in a laboratory, but moving silently across a field of spinach? Meet the Ropa Keiler SPRH138H, a next-generation harvesting machine created by Dutch innovators at Ropa Machines BV. At first glance, it looks like farm equipment, but look closer and it feels like science fiction. Pulled by a tractor, this advanced mobile harvester glides through fields, carefully lifting delicate spinach and salad leaves without damaging them. Every movement is precise. Every harvest is efficient. Why is it game-changing? Because speed usually sacrifices quality. Not here. The SPRH138H delivers both. As food demand rises worldwide, machines like this could redefine agriculture itself. The future isn't coming. It's already harvesting. And its name is Ropa Keiler SPRH138H. Ropa Keiler 2L Classic, a name that sounds like the future of farming, has already arrived. In the silent fields, a beast awakens. A 2-row potato harvester built for speed, precision, and unstoppable flow. No pauses, no limits. A 5.5-ton moving bunker keeps harvesting alive while it unloads on the move, turning time into pure efficiency. Up to 30% more output. Real, measurable, relentless. Inside, a classic cleaning system. Just 2 hedgehog belts. Strips away excess, but protects every potato like it matters. 8 operators stand on a floating platform, watching, guiding, controlling the machine like a living system. Hydraulics replace tradition. Axles expand like a machine breathing. This is not harvesting anymore. It's industrial intelligence in motion. And the future of food production is already in the soil. Smarttrax T8 Genesis, where steel meets the future. In the fields, New Holland's Genesis T8 SmartTrax rises like a machine from tomorrow. Twin half-tracks, front wheels steering destiny, rear tracks gripping reality. Powered by an 8.7-liter engine, delivering unstoppable EPM-boosted force. It turns soil into precision. With CVT intelligence and 73 gallons per minute hydraulic power flowing like liquid energy. Tracks pivot, fields adapt. Berming disappears as control becomes science fiction. This is not farming anymore. It is autonomous mastery of land. The future harvest begins here. Next generation agriculture is here. Unstoppable, intelligent, alive. A revolution plowing the world forward into tomorrow. The future of farming has arrived with unstoppable power, redefining every acre into intelligent, living technology across the globe right now, today.
Mack front rakes. A future where fields clean themselves, where chaos turns into order instantly. The Mack front rake system is here. Futuristic machinery designed to gather scattered hay and straw into perfect aligned rows. With adjustable front rakes, it moves like intelligence in motion. Silent, precise, relentless. Then the bore wrapper takes over, compressing, packaging, shaping bales into perfect uniform density. This is not farming anymore. This is automation evolution. Every second saved reshapes productivity forever. The future of harvesting has already arrived. Mack is not a machine. It is revolution in motion. The future begins in these fields.
JLOR 5750. The future of feeding has arrived. What if a machine could transform hours of hard work into minutes? Meet the JLOR 5750, a revolutionary feed mixer that looks like it belongs in a science fiction future. At its core, two powerful vertical shafts spin with advanced specialty paddles, blending hay, silage, and grain into a perfectly uniform mix. No waste, no guesswork. But here's the game-changing part. The JLOR 5750 can handle up to 1,500 pounds of feed per load, accelerating feeding time while cutting labor costs. And with the optional high-track loading system, it conquers challenging terrain with ease. This isn't just farming equipment. It's a glimpse of the next generation of agriculture. The future is already here, and it's called JLOR 5750.
The Victor Z. What if the future of farming looked like science fiction? In endless fields of black currants, a next-generation machine moves with unbelievable precision. This is the Victor Z, a revolutionary self-propelled harvester built for massive plantations and extreme efficiency. But the real magic happens underneath. Two advanced V-shaped shakers guide every bush through a futuristic harvesting system. Oscillating linkages move with surgical accuracy, removing nearly every berry without damaging the plants. Smooth, precise, autonomous. The result feels almost unreal. Up to 20 tons of premium quality berries harvested from a single hectare. Faster than traditional farming ever imagined. This isn't just a machine. It's a game-changing glimpse into the future of agriculture, where intelligent engineering replaces hard labor, and harvesting becomes pure innovation.
T26BB double row disc ripper is made for serious groundwork. This machine is built to handle rough terrain, big boulders, heavy slash, and hard soil without slowing down. What makes it really impressive is the smart control system. Operators can quickly switch between pre-programmed modes depending on the ground conditions. So whether the soil is soft, rocky, or uneven, the machine adjusts fast and keeps working efficiently.
The double-row disc setup gives better soil penetration and smoother field preparation. That means stronger seed placement and better conditions for seed growth right from the start. It also offers a wide range of settings, making it flexible for almost every type of landscape. Farmers can fine-tune performance for maximum productivity without wasting time. In real-world use, this thing is all about power, consistency, and reliability. It's designed to reduce downtime and help operators cover more ground faster. If you need a ripper that can take on extreme conditions while still delivering clean and efficient results, the T26BB double-row disc ripper definitely stands out. E7000. What if the future of farming already exists? Not in science fiction, not in a laboratory, but moving across endless fields at sunrise. This is the E7000, a next-generation autonomous harvester designed to change everything. Silent, powerful, revolutionary. Inside, advanced eco-clean technology creates unbelievable cleaning performance while reducing dust to almost nothing. Every movement feels futuristic. Every harvest feels precise. With joystick controls at your fingertips, the machine responds instantly. The floating head glides across uneven ground with mind-blowing accuracy, collecting almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts like never before. And the impact? Massive. Faster harvesting, cleaner fields, smarter farming. The E7000 is not just a machine. It's the beginning of a radical new era in agriculture. Carrorum 2-row tomato harvester. Italians don't just grow tomatoes, they build machines that harvest them like perfection. Meet the new Carrorum 2-row tomato harvester, a massive machine designed for speed, precision, and serious efficiency. This thing can collect up to 25 tons of tomatoes every single hour, while keeping crop losses incredibly low. What makes it impressive is how gently it handles the tomatoes. The system is built to move fast without damaging the fruit, which is a huge deal for farmers who need both quality and production. Every conveyor, sorter, and collection system works smoothly to keep the harvest clean and efficient. The dual row setup means more ground covered in less time, making it perfect for large farms during peak harvest season. And under the hot Italian sun, reliability matters. This machine is engineered to keep running hour after hour without slowing down. The design is modern, practical, and built for real-world farming. Less waste, faster harvesting, and better productivity all in one package. For commercial tomato farming, this machine is an absolute beast. 36-meter drip irrigation boom. This thing is built for serious field work. The new Samson SHB4 comes with a fully redesigned 36-meter drip irrigation boom, and the compact setup makes it faster, smarter, and way more efficient in real-world use. One of the biggest upgrades is the reduced hose length, which means quicker response times when starting and stopping. That saves time and keeps operations smooth in the field. The dual wings can also move independently up and down, so they follow the ground perfectly, even on uneven terrain. That keeps the hoses touching the soil at all times for more accurate slurry application. And because the slurry stays close to the ground, you get lower ammonia emissions and better nutrient use, which means less waste and better results for crops. Reliable, efficient, and engineered for modern farming, the Samson SHB4 is designed to be the working partner you can count on every day. The SP3150 bale clamp, the future of harvesting. What if moving massive hay bales looked more like science fiction than farming? Meet the SP3150, a next-generation machine designed to transform the way fields are cleared. Instead of driving across rows or dragging bales into position,
This advanced system grips each bale from the sides and lifts it instantly. No unnecessary movement, no wasted time, just precision. Its revolutionary bale clamp quickly pulls bales off the ground, reducing debris and keeping harvests cleaner. Fully adjustable for 3x3, 3x4, and 4x4 bales, it adapts to different operations with unbelievable efficiency. Roller forks stabilize every load, creating tight, perfectly stacked rows. The result? Faster harvesting, smarter farming, a glimpse into an autonomous future where every move is optimized. The SP3150 isn't just a machine, it's a game-changing vision of tomorrow's agriculture, already working today.
Lightwolf Agri Power Prime. This is the Lightwolf Agri Power Prime, and this thing is built for one job: dominating steep terrain. Seriously, this machine climbs hills that would stop most regular wheeled machines instantly. The biggest advantage here is the massive track contact area. That means more grip, better balance, and insane traction even on loose or rough ground. And because of the smart weight distribution, the machine stays super stable while climbing high slopes. No slipping, no struggling, just smooth power delivery. Now pair it with the M450 mulcher and the results get even crazier. You can clear heavy material fast while staying fully in control on difficult trails. What really stands out is how easily this machine handles sharp turns. Even with heavy loads, it moves confidently through tight paths and steep areas. That makes it perfect for forestry work, land clearing, agriculture, and extreme terrain jobs where normal machines just can't keep up. The Power Prime is not about luxury. It's about raw capability, traction, and getting hard work done without slowing down. If your job site looks impossible, this machine probably sees it as easy mode.
Silogrip Silage Grapple. The Silogrip Silage Grapple is built to make farm work faster, easier, and way more efficient. This heavy-duty grapple bucket is designed for quick loading, especially when working at high feed speeds. The strong top grip holds large amounts of silage securely, so nothing falls out while moving. That means faster loading and less waste every single day. Its tough and durable build makes it perfect for large farms handling massive feed volumes. Whether you're digging into big silos or loading a feed mixer, this machine gets the job done smoothly with minimal effort. The operation is simple, fast, and reliable, even during long working hours. What really makes the Silogrip stand out is its versatility. It's not just a silage grapple, it's an all-around farm tool that quickly becomes essential for daily use. Strong performance, easy handling, and serious time-saving power make this a must-have for modern farming.
Zern 110. What if the future of farming could fit inside your garage? Meet the Zern 110, a next-generation combine harvester that looks more like a machine from science fiction than a traditional farm vehicle. Small, lightweight, almost unbelievable. But behind its compact design hides a revolutionary idea. The Zern 110 delivers a clean, unadulterated grain harvest with astonishing precision. No complicated setup, no overwhelming controls, just advanced engineering made simple. Breeders and experimental farms are already calling it game-changing. Why? Because this futuristic machine moves effortlessly between distant fields, adapts through its modular design, and transforms harvesting into something fast, smooth, and radically efficient. This is more than a machine. It's a glimpse into the autonomous future of agriculture. And the future is already here.
Schulte Spartan RWP 1935. The future of farming doesn't arrive quietly. It rumbles across the field like a machine from science fiction. Meet the Schulte Spartan RWP 1935, a next-generation rock picker built to dominate impossible terrain. 19 feet wide, capable of lifting rocks up to 2,000 pounds. This isn't equipment, it's a revolutionary force of nature. As the advanced hydraulic system moves with unbelievable precision, massive steel tines sweep the earth clean, grabbing hidden stones like a giant magnetic predator. Every pass transforms chaos into perfect ground. What once took days now happens in hours. Faster, smoother, smarter. And this is only the beginning. In a world racing toward autonomous agriculture, machines like the Spartan are changing everything, preparing fields for the next mission with radical efficiency. The future of farming is no longer coming. It's already here.
Hurricane Model 24 Trailed Cultivator. If you want faster soil prep with serious ground penetration, check out the Hurricane Model 24 Trailed Cultivator. This machine comes with a modern, heavy-duty design built for tough field conditions. The strong rotary tines cut deep into compact soil and break hard layers with ease. That means better airflow, healthier soil, and improved crop growth. One of the best features here is the adjustable depth control system. You can quickly change the cultivation depth depending on your soil condition, which makes it super flexible for different fields. The tines work aggressively, but still keep the soil texture balanced. In real-world farming, this saves time, reduces extra passes, and helps improve field efficiency. The trailing setup also makes transport and handling much easier behind the tractor. Overall, the Hurricane Model 24 delivers strong performance, smart depth control, and reliable cultivation power in one solid package. For farmers looking for durability and cleaner soil preparation, this machine definitely stands out.
Afron TH100CT4. This thing is built for serious orchard work. The Afron TH100CT4 is a self-propelled pruning machine made for tight almond and pistachio rows, and it looks absolutely massive in action. You get an 11-foot cutting pass with a huge hedging height of over 31 feet, so trimming tall trees is crazy fast and smooth. And thanks to the center tower design, it moves through narrow rows without tearing up branches. The cutting system uses 5 massive 24-inch saw blades with variable speed control, giving you super clean cuts even on thick 3-inch wood. Power comes from a Tier 4 diesel engine pushing between 99 and 150 horsepower, so performance is no joke here. Plus, the rugged 4-cylinder chassis is built for low maintenance and long-term durability. If you run a high-density orchard and want speed, precision, and serious reach, the TH100CT4 is definitely one of the most impressive pruning machines out there.
John Deere 8000. The future of farming has arrived. Not in a laboratory, not in science fiction, but in the middle of the harvest field. This is the next generation John Deere 8000 series forage harvester, a revolutionary machine engineered to transform silage production forever. Beneath its futuristic design lives the advanced ProStream crop feeding system and a radically redesigned chopping drum, pushing unbelievable throughput with surgical precision. Inside the panoramic cab, everything feels autonomous, intelligent, effortless. Massive displays, smooth controls, total command. And then comes the mind-blowing part. The Harvest Lab 3000 system analyzes crop quality in real time, measuring dry matter and nutrients instantly. Every second becomes data. Every harvest becomes smarter. This isn't just farming equipment. It's intelligent forage management. A game-changing machine shaping the future of agriculture today.
Schulte GX150, the future of precision mowing. What if a machine could turn rough terrain into perfection with unbelievable precision? Meet the Schulte GX150. a next-generation rotary mower built for a future where power meets intelligence. Its massive 15-foot flexible wing glides across the land, while a welded steel deck fights rust, debris, and time itself. But the real magic is hidden underneath. An advanced 80-degree pivot system delivers smooth power through tight turns. Self-adjusting friction clutches constantly protect the drive system, keeping performance at its peak. Then come the super suction blades, creating maximum lift, cleaner cuts, better results. This isn't just a mower, it's a game-changing glimpse into the future of land management. The Schulte GX150, built for today, engineered for tomorrow. Savannah 1200, the future of land clearing. What happens after a machine tears through an entire forest? The real magic starts now. Meet Savannah's revolutionary 1200 series rotor rakes, a next-generation system built to clean what others leave behind. After the first V-sharp pass drops debris across the ground, these advanced machines take control. The 1206 and 1207 sweep up light debris, short sticks, and small stumps with unbelievable efficiency. But the real power lies in the 1240, 1250, and 1260. These game-changing giants can grab full-grown trees, remove massive stumps, and even level the land itself. It feels like science fiction, yet it's happening today. Savannah isn't just clearing land. It's reshaping the future, one autonomous-looking sweep at a time. Profi class, in a world where agriculture decides the survival of nations, a new force rises from precision engineering and German innovation. This is not just machinery. This is the future of farming, already walking across the fields of Europe and Ukraine. Profi-class sprayers are built with next-generation design. With working widths stretching from 59 to 138 feet, they cover land with unstoppable reach. Their massive tanks hold up to 2.96 gallons, expandable to 3.698 gallons, delivering power at a scale that feels almost unreal. Every component is tested under extreme conditions. Every machine earns TÜV certification, proving elite safety, reliability, and performance. But what makes them revolutionary is not just size, it's intelligence in motion. Every spray is controlled with precision. Every drop is optimized. Nothing is wasted. Everything is calculated for maximum yield. This is where technology meets survival, where farming becomes science fiction turned reality. And the impact is massive. Higher efficiency. Rexor 6300. Grimme. The Rexor 6300. The future is no longer coming. It is already here. From Grimme, a 6-row beet harvester emerges like a machine built for a new world. 653 horsepower surges through its core, while a massive 1,590 cubic feet hopper stands ready for unstoppable scale. In the field, the gentle uprooter moves with precision. No chaos, no damage, only control. Every beet is lifted as if the soil itself is cooperating. Above it, the SmartView video system watches everything in real time. Every row, every movement, nothing is missed. Disc diggers, vibratory systems, and 4 advanced topper configurations adapt instantly to changing conditions. One machine, infinite control. This is not traditional farming anymore. This is a radical shift. A fully advanced harvesting era where efficiency, care, and power merge into one system. The Rexor 6300 doesn't just work the field, it redefines it. And the future of agriculture begins right here. Fendt 724. What if one machine could transform an entire field into a masterpiece of precision? Meet the Fendt 724, enhanced with the incredible Vlaaming planting machine and futuristic Smarttrax. It looks like something pulled straight from science fiction, but it's real, and it's working today. As the tractor glides effortlessly across the land, Smarttrax delivers smooth, powerful movement. Behind it, Vlaaming plants every bulb with unbelievable accuracy. Every row, every placement, perfect. This game-changing combination reduces mistakes, boosts efficiency, and unlocks bigger harvest potential. The future of bulb farming isn't coming. It's already here. Fendt 724, Vlaaming, and Smarttrax, turning fields into the next generation of productivity.
Smarttrax 9000. What if the terrain that stops every machine became just another road? Meet the HO all-terrain system, a futuristic, game-changing machine built for marshes, mud, and the world's toughest agricultural environments. It looks like something pulled straight from science fiction. Its advanced 30-inch wide track system glides across unstable ground while maintaining perfect contact for maximum stability. With 27.5 inches of axle clearance and powerful 9000 series Caterpillar tracks, it keeps moving where others sink. This isn't just a machine. It's a revolutionary answer to impossible conditions. As farming pushes into more extreme environments, next-generation technology like the HO system is redefining what's possible. The future of off-road agriculture isn't coming. It's already here.